All right, in this video, we're going to show you guys how to deposit funds onto Blowfin if they don't have it. So for example, I have somebody who has some Caspa he wants to trade on here. So first we're going to go to our overview on Blowfin. We're going to hit deposit. Okay, and as you can see, they don't have Caspa. So we're going to do USDT. Then we're going to select the network. Probably, I usually find BNB works the best if you can use it. So I'll do BEP20. And then we have the address that we're going to deposit to. So we're going to copy this address, right? 7 DBE. We're going to come to change now. So if you have Bitcoin, obviously, you would choose Bitcoin. Okay, he has Caspa. So we're going to select Caspa. I think he was doing around 14,000 of it. And we want to get USDT on BSC. So it would be this one. So he's going to send in 14,000 Caspa. He's going to get this amount of USDT on his exchange. So we're going to hit exchange. Okay, the recipient wallet is the 7 DBE. That is in right here. You can double check it. That's where the USDT is going to go. You're going to hit confirm. All right, so then he's going to go to his Caspa wallet and send 14,000 Caspa to this address. You can copy it here or scan the QR code to send it. You don't have to leave this page open, but I do. So they'll get, they'll await the deposit, they'll confirm it, they'll exchange it, and then they'll send it to you. So then you're going to get, when you go to, let's see, assets, overview, then you're going to have USDT in your funding account. All right, I guess it doesn't click on that. All right, so you'll see that you'll have USDT here. You're going to transfer that USDT. You're going to go from your funding account to your futures account. Right, so you could do all if you want to. You'll confirm, and then you'll see that money in your futures account, and then you can start trading in whatever you want. So hopefully that helps anyone trying to use Change Now and to get money onto Blowfin.